I'm going to show you how to add featured channels on your YouTube channel in 2023. Featured channels are a great way to showcase other channels that you like, collaborate with, or own. They can help you grow your audience, increase your visibility, and build relationships with other creators. To add featured channels on YouTube, you need to follow these steps. First, log into your YouTube account and go to YouTube Studio. This will bring you to your channel's homepage. Next, scroll down on the left menu and choose Customization. This will open a page where you can customize your channel's layout, branding, and basic info. Under the Customization page, click on the Featured Sections tab. This is where you can add different sections to your channel's homepage, such as popular uploads, playlists, live streams, and more. To add featured channels, click on the Add Section button at the bottom of the page. This will open a pop-up window with a list of options. Scroll down until you see the Featured Channels option, then click on it. This will allow you to add up to 10 channels that you want to feature on your channel's homepage. You will now see a list of your subscribed channels. To add a channel to the Featured section, hover your mouse cursor over the double lines next to the channel's name and drag it to the desired location in the list. You can also rearrange the order of your featured channels by clicking and dragging them to a new location in the list. Once you have added and rearranged your featured channels, click on the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it! You have successfully added featured channels on your YouTube channel in 2023. You can now see them on your channel's homepage under the Featured Channels section. You can also edit or remove them at any time by going back to the Customization page and clicking on the Edit button next to the Featured Channels section.